Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make an account on Telegram. To get a free virtual number, you can use the Text Now app. Download it on your device, whether it's on Google Play Store or App Store. Then create a free account. Then you can get a free US or Canada number to use it on your Telegram, and here's the steps to open it when you get the virtual number. Firstly, download and install the Telegram app from your App Store. Open the app once installed. Tap the Start Messaging button on the welcome screen to begin the account setup. Select how you want to log in, with a phone number, most common, or other options if available. Now, select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your mobile number without leading zeros. Telegram will send a verification code via SMS to the entered mobile number. Input the code into the app to verify your number. Once verified, your Telegram account is ready to use. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.